When I was 6 years old, my dad got me started on the Total Gym. At that time, I didn't know why, but when I started excelling in my athletic performances, I realized it was because of the Total Gym. The reason I got to such a high level in gymnastics, the reason I got to such a high level in martial arts, it was because of the Total Gym. When I started out in gymnastics, the Total Gym helped me exponentially. So there's an exercise you do in gymnastics where you grab the rings and you swing on them. Well, the workout I would usually do on the Total Gym was this one right here, where I'd come in and pull in just like that. And because of that, while everybody else was still trying to figure out how to do a pull-up on the rings, I was already way past that.
The great thing about the Total Gym, especially if you're doing jiu-jitsu and grappling like this, for squats, you're down here and you're pushing up. That's the exact same motion you're doing when you're going for a double leg. And when you're doing your wrestling and jiu-jitsu, right? You're coming in, hitting, and coming up. So it's the exact same movement.
When you're doing boxing or kickboxing, there's a lot of torque in your hooks. And this is one of the exercises I like to do to benefit that. This is gonna increase your power, your speed, and much more right in here. And this doesn't just have to be for martial arts. It can carry over into baseball, golf, really anything that requires a lot of torque. I've used the Total Gym my entire life, since I was 6 years old, and I use it to this day because it works.